So I'm here in Seabright, New Jersey, which is about an hour from New York City, and this is a really well-known beach town. Everybody loves coming here. Now, this area was hit super hard in 2012 from Hurricane Sandy, and they say that this was 6 feet underwater. Well, fortunately, everybody rebuilt. Otherwise, this place wouldn't be here, where a mom and her 2 daughters immigrated from Thailand, and they're here serving up the real deal. This is Moo Yai Thai.
Chicken satay ready.
Moo Yai Thai is the best place. I can't say enough about it.
They definitely bring Thailand here.
Very spicy, okay.
This is as close to my mom's cooking as possible. Mama Sang is very good at this.
Because Mama Sang is the real deal. Trading her life in Thailand for more opportunities for her daughters, Wara and Prao.
We have the rice farm in Thailand. My mom sold the rice farm for me to come to school in America.
And eventually, Mama and her daughters opened this place with the help of Jay Vlahakis.
I'm not allowed to cook here because I'm not Thai. I'm just the pretty face.
So you're an operations guy?
Yes.
And what does the name of the restaurant mean?
Moo means pig, Yai means big. It means you well-nourished, eat good.
Moo Yai special, ready and done. Come on.
The pork is probably hands down my favorite thing here.
With Moo Ping and Moo Todd, you get it 2 ways.
One is a fried, and the other is, I guess, sautéed.
They're both very tasty and very good.
So Moo Ping and Moo Todd.
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna make the marinade for both.
Okay.
Oyster sauce,
Yes, and soy sauce.
soy sauce.
Suka.
Salt?
No.
I know, I'm sorry. I'm getting in trouble. Now, how do you count in Thai?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. White pepper.
Paprika.
1, 2,
2,
3, 4,
See?
5. Done. Yes.
Half of this goes in the Moo Ping.
Yes.
Got it. We're gonna grill that. We stir it up? I hope
Thank you.
And how long?
One
day. 24 hours. Now this one. Okay.
Sorry.
Garlic in there? You're following a real recipe right here. How much pork we got? Okay. Cilantro? With this one, we're gonna fry.
Yeah.
But it's a different cut.
They're long. Mutton. Make long.
Mutong is long.
Yes.
And ping is the flat, and it goes on the skewer. A lot going on here.
Yeah.
Very pretty.
Very good.
So we do that, and we make sweet chili sauce. So vinegar,
Pepper, no too hot.
so chili paste,
Yes.
and then some sugar.
1, 2. Okay. No
Oh.
ha. No ha.
No ha-ha.
A little bit.
And this is flour and water. Make it thick.
Bum. Okay. Done.
Okay, when it boils, bum. You can tell she's a warrior. I mean, to bring her daughters from Thailand, come here, open up a business, it's a land of opportunity. And she's a perfect example. Next sauce, what kind of pepper?
Thai pepper and go too hot.
Really? Ghost?
Yes, good.
Like, ooh.
Yeah.
Oh.
อันนี้ people Thai. Yeah, who. Garlic, saranso,
A lot of therapy here.
suka, salt.
The fresh lime juice.
Thank you.
That's done?
Too hot. Oh. I cook moo ping and coconut milk and suka and fried moo thot for 5 minutes.
That's a lot.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ha.
Oh, good. Fried garlic.
Beautiful. And sticky rice. Oh, that's good. And spicy. I love that you get the 2 different plays on this. Delicious. Really good ingredients makes all the difference in the world. I don't like. I don't like. I love.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
I love.
Got your pork platter right here.
On point. It's fantastic.
The pork, the tenderness was very good.
The green dipping sauce is incredible.